Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Faulkner, and I am here to do your application problem for Lesson 8. It says, for breakfast, Mr. Swartz spent 1/6 of his money on a coffee and 1/6 of his money on a bagel. What fraction of his money did Mr. Swartz spend on breakfast? Okay, so in our story problem, remember it always gives us words because we're math doctors to give us the direction of what we need. So it uses the word sixth. Okay, so remember whenever it's that THS or TH, that's talking about a fraction. So we know that our tape diagram here is going to be marked into six. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to be honest with you, I want to go back and erase the end because I made it too big. That's a good thing with an eraser. And I'll go back to my pen. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one of these counts as one part of the 6 pieces. So that's why we call it 1/6. So in the story problem, it says that he spent 1/6 on coffee and he spent 1/6 on a bagel. And it wants us to answer what fraction of his money did Mr. Swartz spend on his breakfast? Well, he spent this part and this part. So if we were to put those together, I would say that Mr. Schwartz spent 2/6 of his money. Okay, because 1/6 plus 1/6 is 2/6. Okay, so Mr. Swartz spent 2/6 of his money. Now, do you think Mr. Swartz spent more or less than 1/2 of his money? That's a little challenge question for you. What do you think about that? Did he spend more or less than 1/2 of his money? Did he spend more than half or less than half? All right, very good. If you think about this, this is half of his money. So he spent less than half of his money. That wasn't part of the application problem, but I thought I would throw that in there for you. All right, boys and girls, let's head on over and let's check out Mrs. Walker.